When it comes to conducting accurate and precise surveys, DGP surveyors in Noida Sector 76 are the go-to professionals. With their expertise in using advanced DGPS technology, these surveyors are able to provide accurate measurements and data for various projects. Whether it is for land development, construction, or infrastructure planning, DGP surveyors play a crucial role in ensuring that the project is executed smoothly and efficiently. One of the key advantages of using DGPS technology for surveying is its ability to provide real-time data. By using DGPS receivers and satellites, surveyors are able to obtain accurate measurements instantly, eliminating the need for manual calculations and reducing human error. This not only saves time, but also ensures that the survey results are reliable and consistent. In addition to accuracy, DGP surveyors in Noida Sector 76 also offer a wide range of services related to SCON design. SCON design refers to the planning and layout of sconces, which are decorative wall fixtures used for lighting purposes. With their expertise in design and knowledge of lighting principles, DGP surveyors can help create visually appealing and functional SCON designs for various spaces. The use of DGPS technology in SCON design allows surveyors to accurately measure and map out the location and placement of sconces. This ensures that the sconces are installed in the right position, providing optimal lighting and enhancing the overall aesthetic of the space. Additionally, DGP surveyors can also assist in determining the appropriate size and style of sconces based on the specific requirements of the project. Furthermore, DGP surveyors in Noida Sector 76 can also help with the installation and alignment of sconces. By using DGPS technology, they can ensure that the sconces are installed at the correct height and angle, maximizing their effectiveness and minimizing any potential issues. DGPS surveyors in Noida Sector 76 are the go-to experts for conducting precise and accurate surveys. These surveyors are skilled in using cutting-edge DGPS technology, which enables them to give precise measurements and data for a variety of projects. DGPS surveyors are essential to the successful completion of any project, whether it be for infrastructure planning, building, or land development. Real-time data availability is one of the major benefits of employing DGPS technology for surveying. Surveyors can rapidly acquire accurate measurements using DGPS receivers and satellites, doing away with the need for laborious calculations and minimizing human error. This not only saves time, but also guarantees the accuracy and consistency of the survey results. DGPS surveyors in Noida Sector 76 provide a wide range of SCON design services in addition to accuracy. The planning and arrangement of sconces, which are decorative wall fixtures used for lighting, is referred to as SCON design. DGPS surveyors can assist in developing aesthetically pleasing and practical SCON